Yeah. The video just stopped. Sorry about that, guys. We have to do another video. So, part 2.
Part 2, yeah.
On our second pancake.
Second pancake.
And we still have all of that.
Yeah. That's gonna go away really easily. Last time I made 5 pancakes. It was supposed to be 14 pancakes. I made half of the pancakes. So it was like kind of a fail.
Because you like fluffy ones, so you put more stuff.
Yeah. This pancake looks so ruined, but
It looks good.
yeah, just whatever. Why do people care about the looks?
Yeah.
The thing is, this has to be like flat. It doesn't have to go squaring all over. Just a flat. Oh my god! I hear like a frog. Maybe Hermit's calling for us. By the way, Hermit is a frog, a stuffed frog that we play with. Because we're bored.
We played with him this morning.
Yeah.
He used the butter wrapper.
Yeah. He was twerking on the wall.
Yeah.
He was like able to grab out of the wall. We were like trying to kill him. Oh crap.
It's all crap.
Oh, crap. Please don't tell me this pancake is burned. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Don't be like me, all messy with them pancakes.
Oh my god.
I don't know, how can I not make perfect pancakes? What am I doing wrong?
Small pan.
No, my mom does it with a small pan too. Sometimes.
Maybe you put in too much.
Probably. But I like it fluffy. I can hear my mom.
Yeah.
We should put some chocolate chips in there.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
But where are
Just in the mix?
Like, and yeah, there. Chocolate chips. Here, I'll record. Alright, like this. Yeah. Can you guys see? Oh God. I hope you can see. Yeah, you can see you.
So you got like that. That's how they see most of us. Okay.
Chocolate chips. Do you really should be?
Oh, the way in the back?
Oh my God, like, this is 25 pounds of rice.
Rice?
Oh my God. We're Asian, I'm just playing.
No,
I wish we were Asian.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Yay! Chocolate for breakfast.
See, you gotta be creative.
Yeah. I'm gonna add some chocolate in there. And then just like stir it.
Some chocolate?
Mm.
They can't see us. Who's gonna record? I can take care of the pancake. Oh my God, it's so ruined. Look at this fat pancake.
Oh my god.
They just. Ooh. Oh my God, the pan's all so crooked. Okay. Sorry this isn't the perfect video, but we're still kids, okay? Oh, shit.
See, those things look like mini Hershey Kisses.
Now, you're gonna do the next pancake.
Okay.
Wait, is it good inside? Yep, perfect. Okay. Now we need to stir this up. Oh my
And like all at the bottom.
Put the butter on and then. Yeah, that's good.
Wow.
I know, right?
Oh my god, this is heavy.
Please be there chocolate chips there. Is there
It's
chocolate?
not.
Man, we did a mistake. We were supposed to put them on the pancake. Hurry.
Okay.
Hey, what are we gonna do about the chocolate chips in the thing? We have some more chocolate chippies. There. Yeah.
I can't remember this.
It's okay. Yeah.
That heavy.
From now on, just get the chocolate chips from there. Just scoop it up and then put it on the.
Right now?
No. It's okay. Just for the future. It's 9:16. We're still making some pancakes.
Look how we're just watching it. We're like, cook.
Cook. My mom said it's ready when the bubbles pop. No. The bubbles hasn't popped. All of them hasn't popped.
You want to try some? Oh, that's good.
Is it good? Are you sure it's not?
It's like perfect.
It's so moist.
Well, because you got the part where someone makes it.
It's still good though. Look what you did.
Yeah. Here, just fill that up.
When you're scooping it up, you have to dig in deep. Like, you think wrong, I swear. You'll like scoop it up from the edges, so you can turn it around, but it's still, the bubbles are still not popped.
Yeah.
We did a challenge yesterday too that, is try not to laugh, but she didn't laugh at anything. I wanted to laugh so bad, but she didn't laugh at anything.
No.
She thought something was stupid. Adventure Time. Adventure Time is not stupid. Comment down below if you think Adventure Time is stupid or not.
Well, just that part that you showed me.
Oh wait, it was like, if you're an evil witch, I'ma punch on your butt. Punch on your butt. Punch on your butt. She thought that was stupid. Yeah, what's this? What's this? Good morning.
Morning.
There you go,
Perfect.
finally. Well, not that perfect, but it's still good.
Yeah.
Yay, there's gonna be some chocolate chips in there.
Mm-hmm.
Wish I eat one without pancake, without chocolate chips, and then another one with chocolate chips. Ow! Like, punch on your buns. Ow. It's moist.
You can't tell.
It is moist.
You could just use the back of the spoon.
Freaking work.
Look at those yummy chocolates.
Oh, they're melted. Making pancakes. Sí, solo había unos que no se usaron. Estás en el video. En YouTube.
No,
YouTube. No. Ok. Échale suficiente mantequilla. Sí, estamos usando esto.
Here.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, that's fine. I like when it sizzles.
Yeah.
First, get the mixture, and then after you can put the chocolate chips on. Okay, lift it up. Just lift the thing up. Lift the thing up. Okay, that's it. Creo que vas a tener que hacer más mixture porque son para las dos alcanzas. Coman ustedes, ahí yo tengo. My little sister. Her crazy hair. Okay, we're waiting for the pancake. Okay, guys, when all the pancakes are done, we will come back. So we'll be on the next video. Okay, bye.
Okay, that's our last pancake.
Yeah. What do we do with the pan? What do we do with the pan?
It's only 9:40.
Yeah. Okay, and these are our pancakes.
Yeah.
Minus one because my mom got one for my sister June.
Oh.
They have chocolate chips in them.
Yeah. See?
Plato.
Okay. Whoa. The fancy one.
Oh my god, my milk.
I don't like it when it does that. Okay, so we have jelly, jam, syrup, and pancakes, and milk, and an avocado.
We're not gonna put it in. Okay, guys, well, that was our pancake salad.
Bye.
Bye.